Hi guys, welcome back to the Milkshake Cow. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this gold slime. It's really cool as it has glitter in it and it's gold coloured. To make this gold slime you will need a bowl and a spoon to mix your slime in, and to make the slime you will need PVA glue, gold paint, gold glitter and slime activator. Firstly, you will need PVA glue. Next, add in the golden paint. Mix together the glue and the paint to make your slime golden coloured. You might need to add in more paint to make your colour more vibrant. Next, add in the glitter. Mix it into the slime. Add in more glitter if needed. Next, add in your activator to form your slime. Mix it together. You may need to add in more activator. Keep mixing until your slime forms. When your slime has formed, knead it with your hands. Once your slime is not sticky anymore, it's ready to play with. I like this slime because it's gold coloured and it has glitter in it. It looks really cool. Subscribe for more slime videos. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!